Because these are supposed to...
Are those the new ones?
No, these are actually 2006 forks, but they're brand new old ones. They probably got 10 hours on them.
Oh, nice.
So, but I got to get the settings. I'm throwing them all into whatever.
Are you finding it too stiff on the initial hit?
Yeah.
And then how about mid-stroke?
It's already into the stroke too far.
Oh, okay.
So it's hard to tell when you've got that shudder or jatter.
Yeah.
So, I don't know, whatever. I was fucking
Remember
around.
the days we used to buy bikes, me and Gino and Boner, and just jump on them and ride.
Yeah.
Didn't know anything about tire pressure, nothing.
Better when there was no settings to be had.
Yeah, just go mental and...
Actually, the older bikes were softer though.
Yeah.
Like every year, for a long, like 20 years, springs got stiffer, valving got stiffer, everything got stiffer.
But like if you read too much into what they say online about this and that and this and that, you know what I mean? Then you start like chasing what you shouldn't be chasing. You got to make up your own mind.
Well, it's funny, like Chad Reed he's got a channel, right, on YouTube, and he was setting up his kid's bike, and he was saying, I don't understand why the bikes are so stiff.
Yeah.
Like they've backed way off on their rigidity of them for himself and his son.
Oh, yeah.
So,
anyways.
Basically supercross valving for motocross. Anyway, we're all good?
Yep. Yeah. Where the hell are you going?
Well, that's a play spot.
Huh?
That's a play spot.
Not? Fuck me. No oil. Oh. You get so far and they go, what now? Whew.
I was 3/4 of the way up and there was a cheater line. I go, oh, man.
That's good. Ready? Yes, sir. You good, Max?